This video will take you through the process of registering your voucher online on FT registration. If you have not registered but need to get in contact with us, please use the Contact Us section located on the top bar. To the left, you can log into an existing account, but for now we will select Register to begin registering the voucher. Start by entering your certificate code, certificate number, the 6-digit certificate voucher PIN, and the 3-digit activation code found on your voucher. Also, enter and verify your email address, password, and enter the sponsor company, in this case, Wyndham. Select Submit Registration. When you do, you should receive an automated email from noreply@ftregistration.com with a link to complete the registration. If you don't see the email in your inbox, please check your spam folder or try a different browser or device. Once you've successfully logged in through your email link, you will be asked to provide some more info, including your first and last name, address, and phone numbers. After all your information is submitted, you will receive another email confirming your registration has been received. Follow the included link or click on the Your Account button on the top bar to be taken to your account settings page. The first tab you'll see will display a drop-down menu of all your vouchers with information about each. The rightmost tab, Info and Media, features helpful videos or other exciting offers we may want you to know about. To the left is Email History, which will allow you to scroll through a list of emails sent to you for all vouchers registered. The next one over is the Message Center, where you can write to us if you have any issues or questions, as well as view and check the status of previous message requests. We aim to respond within 24 to 48 business hours from your submission. Lastly, there is an Account Settings page where you can review your previously submitted account information and make changes if necessary. Which brings us back to the Voucher page. Let's click this link to get a registration started. Upon clicking the link, you'll first be greeted with a destination selection screen. After choosing your desired destination, the next screen will ask you to choose your preferred dates of travel. The system will not allow invalid inputs such as dates that fall within 5 days of a holiday, and you will be asked to select a different date. Once you've dialed in your dates, select Continue. Here you will be offered trip upgrades, including adding extra nights, upgrading your accommodations, and adding additional guests. Select Yes for any upgrades you're interested in, or select No, then Continue. Now you will be presented with all the information you provided. Check carefully to confirm all info is correct, and be sure to read and agree to the payment terms. When you're ready, select the blue Confirm Reservation Request button. You will see one more prompt informing you of payment information. Click the blue button once again to proceed. You should then see a window telling you the reservation request has been successfully received, and an email containing the specifics of your request will be sent shortly, typically within 24 business hours. If there is no blue active link on your account's voucher page, that further confirms the registration was a success. After completion, the request is moved to Tax Money Due status, and a secure payment link will be sent within 24 business hours. A staff member will contact you a minimum of 21 days prior to your selected travel dates to go over inventory and options with you. However, should you need to contact us sooner, the best method is to text us at 941-336-6794. If you have any other questions, be sure to browse our FAQ section first, where you can find answers to both general inquiries and those specifically concerning your voucher type. Your specific concern may be addressed there. But if you still need help, we can also be reached at helpdesk@ftregistration.com.